Wow.
Let's go to the slow. Hi you guys, I'm so happy you're here. My name is Riya and welcome back to my channel. I'm in the car today on my way to meet Astha Devashi. It's a little bit of a drive today, but I'm all geared up, like I'm mentally prepared for it. I also have like my laptop, my iPad, all of the stuff I need, my power bank. I have everything with me. I don't know, it's been a few days since I've vlogged. I've honestly been trying to like catch up and keep the vlogs as close to live as possible, so I kind of messed up. Okay, let me share. So I am posting every alternate day, but in the beginning of Jan, like the first week, I want to say that I vlogged every single day. I was literally vlogging every moment, every minute of every day, and now suddenly my vlogs are like 1 week behind. Like now when I'm uploading last week Friday ka vlog. So I don't know, I'm not liking how not in sync they are with my life, so I just tried to take a break so I could like get them back in sync. Anyway, it's gonna be a fun chill day, and then tonight some friends are coming home for dinner, so that'll be fun too. My mom and I have prepped like a whole menu and everything, and it'll be fun. For now, I'm just gonna get comfy and kill some time. I have arrived. Hi vlog. Road trip.
Wow. Forgot this camera exists.
Bro, this camera looks so nice. See, I came with a pimple patch today.
Yeah, I saw on your story. So cute.
You gave me the confidence to do this.
Aww. Nothing that a pimple patch can't fix.
Yeah.
A cute pimple patch.
Look at her. Astha got a new camera.
Woo!
Woo! Let's go! She's trying to figure out how to use it.
How the hell do you put this in, bro?
Everyone say congratulations, Astha, in the comments.
Congratulations, Astha.
Yeah, crazy.
She loves sweet potato fries. Devashi and sweet potato fries have a love-hate, love story. Whoever eats ketchup is not my friend anymore. Does it taste like ketchup?
Ketchup is not my friend.
So she ate it. Say hello. Hello.
Hi.
That's the DJI.
Hi.
Bro, but it's a good one. Huh? Wait, see, I'll show you. Huh?
There's a screen also.
Yeah.
ये screen घूमता है? ऐसा लगा कि
हाँ, you can.
ऐसा अपन
ऐसा.
झूठे जमाने के लोग लग रहे हैं। नहीं ये वाह।
झूठे जमाने के लोग हैं. Are you saying that it's not pleasant to hear us speak?
No problem.
What the hell?
Let's go to the slow. Let's go to the.
Let's go to the slow.
Can you all stop speaking so much?
Will you stop the car?
I will kill you.
Let's go there and take a left. Guys, so Devashi does not like when we say, let's go there. She always say, let's go there.
Let's go there.
Let's go there.
Let's go there.
Let's go there. So now I want to speak like this.
What's that?
No,
Not what's that.
What's that?
We actually speak like what?
That. There.
Yeah.
The.
Do.
It's the. There. That.
It's not that.
It is that.
That's the problem. That's the problem.
Hi. Hi, cutie. So cute. I'm on my period now. She's like,
Now
what?
I'm fine now.
Huh.
What is this whole...
Guys, my stomach stopped aching.
Good. Congratulations.
What is the whole scientific thing which I need to check through physics and all to see what this is?
Not
Why are there so many wires?
Just charge your phone and see, na?
No, that's fine.
Are remove that?
I can't remove that.
Okay, charge my phone and see. Are
It's
no
fine,
good.
it stays also on it.
Yeah.
I mean, yeah. It got to do that.
Mine doesn't.
Where's your power
How
bank?
much you get it for?
I got from Bangkok for some 1,000, 2,000 baht.
My baht, I thought 2,000 rupees. But that's not how much, 3,000-4,000.
Yeah.
Same as minus 3.
If you would have told me you needed, I could have bought you from Thailand. I just bought.
What you? Acha Russians ko bhi lete hain.
How many hours does this last?
Bro, it's too good actually. Like 2-3 times you can charge your phone.
Next
with
time
it.
you go, please get now.
Okay, but next time you go.
You will only go out of all of us. You go every 1 month.
Tell Jigar to get
Listen,
now.
guys.
But he's in Phuket.
He'll get. Take a picture of this.
He is not in Phuket. He's gone for the music festival now. From there, he's straight coming to Bombay.
Oh, then
No, I'm telling you now. Next time she's going to Thailand, now we'll just hop.
Just
on.
come with
It's
me.
like Goa only prices.
I'm in. I
Bro,
don't
it's
mind.
cheaper than Goa.
Yeah.
I'm back home. Forgot to vlog. We already finished dinner, but I'll show you desserts. Raj got cake. I forgot to vlog. I'm so sorry, mother. And pizzas.
and then I did corn ribs, and then I did
That Asian bowl.
then I did the canapes with the corn.
Yeah.
I got blank on the camera.
Let's have dessert. Say hi to Rach. See, she's chilling.
Yeah. Actually, no, I didn't order dessert. I thought you would come back and order it. But then I saw her cake and I did.
Second serving.
Now I don't do it.
Father, say hi to the vlog.
Also early.
Hello, dinner is over. I have done my skincare. I'm feeling so good. Like, I really just need to take a good shower and wash my face and put some cream on this massive pimple. I don't know why life hates me. And I've been using these eye patches from DU. I think they are really nice. Like, super easy to use. I find it a little irritating that I have to like wash them and clean them and all that stuff. But I like the fact that they're reusable, because then that means I'm not wasting. So yeah, it's really nice. Skincare is done. I'm gonna get into bed and watch some Chicago Fire. I don't know how much I've vlogged. I feel like the vlog is not long enough. So maybe I'll continue the vlog tomorrow. Hello, it is the next day. I'm in the cab. I'm literally watching Splitsvilla on my phone. And I also picked up coffee from Bougie with my mom. We went back to the shoe place. I don't know if you'll have seen that in one of the vlogs. I think it's there somewhere. But I basically pre-ordered shoes, like custom-made shoes for the wedding, and they aren't fitting me. We just went to get them fixed, and like we have very little time now to fix the shoes in time for the wedding. So I hope they fit me, because these are like, the shoes they've given me are like baby shoes. They're so small, and it's not gonna work. Anyway, I'm on my way to Maldives. I've packed a bag, and it is his dad's birthday today, so we're gonna celebrate. I think we're going for dinner, and then we're going bowling and stuff. So it will be fun. I will vlog a little bit, not too much, because I want to like enjoy the moment. But for now, let me enjoy my coffee and splits, and I will see you soon. Guys, tomorrow, by the way, is the Mumbai Marathon, which obviously by the time you see this, it'll be done. But yeah, the Tata Marathon is tomorrow, and the city is like completely choked up, and it's like things are blocked out, and tomorrow also the roads are closed until like 2 p.m. It's crazy crowded. All of that stuff is put up because of the marathon, like the white thing. Made it! Malav is not here yet, but I am charging my laptop, and I need to upload today's YouTube video because my laptop is literally dead, and I'm still watching the Splits episode. No matter what I do, I can't stop. They're fighting like mad. Entertain. Guys, yaar, it's not starting my laptop. I don't have my laptop charger. I'm using Malav's phone charger. That's not good for my laptop at all.
Do not talk to me in that tone. You do not call me a... You don't talk to me in this tone. You call me a... I'll f*** you up. I'm telling you. You're not allowed. For the very last time. Do not. You can't. Do not.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Yay! So unbothered. This is the part. 1 second. I ruined my eyes. Forgot to vlog the whole meal. This is vlogging dessert.
Yes, mochi in it. Yes, mochi.
-1 is rude. Rate the ice cream.
He doesn't have taste.
The ice cream was not good.
Okay, good.
It was a 3.
This was really nice.
That was too good. Wait.
I want to whack this spoon on your...
This was a 10, right?
Yeah.
Yes. Dinner at Izume. Izume. Let's go. Still feeling cold? Should we put the windows down on the way?
I'm mad.
Why?
Oh yeah, maybe
Such nice weather. Actually, maybe once we get out of Bandra,
I
because
look very cute in your camera.
bro, this camera is too good actually. Like, everyone looks good in it.
One day it's good, one day it's bad.
No, like color wise.
Yeah.
This rickshaw is facing here, this car is facing here, this car is facing here, that car is facing this car. What the hell? Woo. What a feeling.
Unboxing the car.
Yeah. Unboxing the car is crazy.
The screen looks clearer, yeah.
Yeah, the screen looks insane clear now. I've showered and I'm in bed. What a fun few days. Yeah, nothing but wholesome. I'm just so happy. I am feeling better, you guys. Thank you for checking in. Don't worry about me. I will be fine. I just have a really bad stomach. But yeah, thank you for watching. I love you so much and I will see you in the next one. Bye.